Every once in a while, I come up on these houses and I'm like, oh my gosh, what would it feel like to live here? And the irony of all this is probably that my ancestors probably drank beer and fornicated in this house at some point. The house was built in the 1700s in Robertson County. And there really weren't very many people here in the 1700s unless they were like kin to me 10,000 years ago. So let's go on a little house tour. First of all, the yard and the trees are amazing. The decorative touches around here, the uniqueness of all this, just makes me excited to be here. It feels good to be here. Cozy in here. I love all the logs. I can only imagine having coffee here in the mornings, looking out the window, watching the birds. Beautiful. Lots of little lofts, their own little staircases. What a cool room. Let's just take a little walk outside now. The trees out here are huge. They've probably been here as long as the house has. There's an old kitty cat that's hanging out here. Weeping cherry tree. Hydrangea that's coming along. I wonder what was happening here in the 1700s. Coopertown is about halfway between Nashville and Clarksville. And today they're actually having a Cooper festival, which is a barrel festival. It's like Tennessee gets a lot of credit for being Tennessee whiskey. Robertson County really was one of the first places that was making whiskey. And the barrels that were made in Coopertown were used in the production of whiskey in Nashville and other parts of the state. Hence the name Coopertown. There's about 15 acres in here. It's in 2 lots. One's 6 acres. One is 7 point something. Not quite enough to be in the green belt, but definitely enough to call home. Look at the little kitty. Such a sweet little happy cat. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. So if you're looking for some unique property just north of Nashville, tucked away up in the woods, I know a place. My name's Jennifer Davis, and I'm from Tennessee. I'm a realtor with eXp Realty. You can find my information in the bio above. If you're interested in this house or any other property in Middle Tennessee, I'm your person. I don't really like it when I give my phone number on here, but if you want to call me, link's in the bio.